Hi, my name is Cristina. I'm a digital creator in Singapore, and this is my newly renovated home. So I'm originally from Russia, but I grew up in Spain, and I've been in Singapore for 9 years. So the reason why we chose this BTO is because we really like the location. It is pretty central and still quiet at the same time. So I think my theme of the house is very minimalistic, classic, but modern at the same time. I was going for something that is very timeless and is not going to go out of fashion, so which is basically, in my opinion, just like a blank canvas, which consists of clean white walls with a cornice detailing and like the classic wooden floors. Then you can play around, like with the furniture or like decoration pieces to add the whole aesthetic and the vibe to your home. So my favorite part of the house has to be the kitchen, because we have an open kitchen concept. We chose a really right stone for this, the statement stone, like that covers the walls and like the top of the counter. I love it so much because it was such a right decision, because the whole house is like white and clean, and the stone actually adds the contrast and like makes it a statement, but still keeping it in a neutral tone. I love to spend time there, like whenever my friends come over, we just like sit at the bar area and just like enjoy the whole environment. And every time someone comes, they always compliment the kitchen first. So the whole renovation was actually pretty smooth, even though it took us slightly longer, I feel, than most people. But the reason why it took that is because, first of all, I was traveling, and second of all, like I couldn't make my mind what I actually wanted for the kitchen, because I had a few ideas that I was considering, and it was really hard to make up my mind. But I'm really happy, like with what we've decided on and the final outcome. Shuwen helped us solve so many like issues, like even though they were not big, they were minor, but like there were some during the journey. And like she was able to also suggest me with the color selection because of her experience, and knowledge. She was able to assist us really well, and like I'm really happy with the outcome and how my home looks. So I really like that Rest and Relax gives the lifetime warranty for the carpentry mechanism. So whenever we have an issue during the lifetime when we stay in this apartment, we can always reach out, and you guys would be helpful, like to solve that. So I think that's really amazing. And another cool feature, I think, that Rest and Relax and the team can offer, which we really enjoyed along the way, is having the access to the Super app. So the Super app actually allows you to see the progress of your renovation, like all the updates, and like be on track while it's renovating. So thank you, Rest and Relax, so much. We really enjoyed this home renovation journey, and we're so happy with the outcome.